Jod bura masiro sirikal oduoko jatend DCP Gachagua ewi weche ma owacho ni jatend piny William Ruto serem chopo singo manomiyo jo Kenya higni 4 mokalo. Giwacho ni Gachagua ni kod ich lit gi Ruto kuom negole oko e apisi. Jod bura go kotelnegi kod jatend kweth mathoth e od bura mamalo Kimani Ichung'wa bende owacho ni Gachagua ochwal report ne obila kaponi ochich ni nitiere ng'ikruok e sekta mar arita.
Yet when he was deputy president, he joined hands with coffee cartels to steal from the very same farmers he purports to be speaking for today. Shame. Kenyans will remember he demanded 3 shillings for every kilogram of coffee sold by farmers at the coffee exchange. Mr. Rigathi, we are here to tell you that the 3 shillings you are demanding is now going directly to the Kenyan farmers, including those in the Mount Kenya region. And those coffee farmers today, unlike in 2022 when they were earning 70 shillings per kilo, are now earning between 120 shillings to 160 shillings per kilogram.
I know why he's ranting today. It's because of what happened in Naivasha the last 2 days.
He saw the numbers.
He saw the numbers. He saw the force. He saw the organizational. Now he has realized he's only working with 3 people.